Well, sustainability is becoming more and more important, and really this has been driven by changes in consumer behavior. Consumers are becoming so much more aware of sustainability and what it means. Consumers want products that are supplied in a safe, ethical and responsible manner. So they're putting pressure on retailers, and retailers are trying to demonstrate that they are sourcing responsibly, not only for their own house brands, but also for the brands that they're actually selling through their stores. So from the consumer, putting pressure on the retailers putting pressure on brand owners to ensure that they're manufacturing their product in a responsible manner. This puts pressure on the suppliers to the brand owners, such as packaging producers like Tetra Pak, and we take sustainability very, very seriously. We have for the past 30 years. A package should save more than it costs, and we've had this philosophy and value within our brand for many, many years. So when it comes to Tetra Pak being a supplier, or a responsible supplier of packaging to our customers and to the brand owners, I think we're actually fulfilling the challenge that has been set out by the consumer. Well, if you look at the circular economy, it's about looking at a product to move away from the linear economy, from production, consumption and disposal, into bringing those raw materials back into a circular way, into the circular economy, and how can we use those materials again. When you consider a low carbon circular economy, it's looking at the sum of everything we do. So the circular economy really focuses on litter and the problem we have with litter. Looking at the low carbon circular economy looks at the climate effect of what we're doing as well as a company. So the move towards a low carbon circular economy, if you look at our product, we focus more on sourcing of renewable materials, not only from the paperboard that we're using, but also some of the polyethylene we're using for our packaging material, as well as the caps that are in many cases plant-based out of sugarcane. Then you have a look at the packaging going into our manufacturing operations, where we're focusing on renewable energy, increasing the renewable energy in our factories, in our 36 factories we have globally. And we will move towards all our factories being on renewable energy by 2030. The product then gets distributed to our customers' operations, where the processing and filling equipment is more energy and water efficient than what it ever has been. And we've had that journey for the past 20 to 30 years on improving the performance of the equipment. Distribution into retail, no refrigerated distribution is required. The product goes into retail, and then once the consumer has consumed the product can actually, our packaging can actually be recycled. So if you have a look at across the entire value chain, the carbon or the environmental impact of our product is significantly lower compared to other types of beverage packaging. So when you talk about the low carbon circular economy, it's really having a look at the entire environmental impact of our product across the entire value chain. Well, when you look at Tetra Pak's offering, it's not only packaging. We're in the food processing and packaging business. So when you look at the food and beverage industry, and you look at our processing equipment, from a water and energy point of view, I think if you consider the equipment that was installed previously, we have solutions today that can actually reduce the environmental footprint more aggressively than in the past. Then if you have a look at our filling equipment and the efficiencies we have there through water and energy, obviously that's adding huge value to our customers' operations too. The fact that we are looking at sourcing renewable materials, a lot of our customers are actually wanting to go on that journey as well with regard to renewability, with regard to both packaging material and packaging closures and caps. So we can actually support them with regard to their sustainability journey. And then obviously it is so important that the customers want to ensure that their packaging can be recycled after life. So when you look at Tetra Pak and the investments we do in recycling, this is actually adding value to our customers' brands, and in such a way that we're actually adding value to the brand. So we're encouraging our customers to put labeling onto pack with regard to FSC certified paperboard, with regard to the carton can is being recycled. And then we're obviously encouraging our brand owners as well to work with us, because we cannot do this alone when it comes to recycling and collection. How can they as brand owners get involved as well? So it's about partnerships, and this is how we actually want to work with our customers. And I must say, a lot of our customers actually embrace or actually welcome this type of attitude, because they're looking for opportunities to work with Tetra Pak or responsible brand owners like Tetra Pak.